Hello friends, welcome back to dreamdegreeabroad.com. In this video, we will go through step-by-step application process for the Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship. But before we get started, let me share one very important point. To apply for this scholarship, you must submit your application on two portals. First, you will apply on the Higher Education Council portal of your own country. After that, you will apply again on the main portal of this scholarship. For example, if you are from Pakistan, you will first complete your application on the HEC portal and then apply on the scholarship's official portal. So the process is same for all countries. First your National Higher Education Council and then scholarship portal. Now to start, please visit the official website www.stipendiumhungaricum.hu to start your application. Once you are at home page, click on the partners. And then you have to select your country. I am selecting Pakistan. After that, they will show your country's authority name as it shows HEC for Pakistan. And here is the detail of authority, for example, name of the person, website, email address, and telephone. And after that, address. And so you have to apply on this website. And this is the official website of Higher Education Commission. You have to apply here first and then apply on the main portal. Now move to apply. Click on the green button, apply for Stipendium Hungaricum. To proceed the online application page. At the top right corner of the page, there will be sign in register button. You have to register yourself from there. Once you get registered, you will be directed to your Stipendium Hungaricum account. I am already registered, so I am on the account. On the left section of the page, you can find available study programs by clicking the Find Programs. Also, you can search for available universities by clicking on Browse Institutions. To see your ongoing or submitting applications, you can click on My Applications. Lastly, you can find new messages from Stipendium Hungaricum by visiting Inbox page and Tasks, Messages. And lastly, you can complete your remaining task from Tasks. To start your application, click on the More Search Options link to search available study courses. So here, select your desired study level, your planned academic year, study mode, full degree studies or partial degree studies. Full degree studies takes up to 4 years, or partial study mode, which is just a semester or two. So select full degree studies, areas of studies, and study language. Choose the English and unselect all of these. So unselect those in which you are not interested. By doing these, you can find your available courses according to your search filters. Now scroll down to choose your program and click on Apply Now. As I have started my application earlier, so I have the option to edit. Click on Edit Application. So here all the priorities are given, must read them before applying. And the next section is the Profile section. So here you are going to answer questions related to your personal data. Make sure all the information provided are accurate, as incorrect information can negatively affect your scholarship. So first of all, enter your name, your family name. Next is identification document type. And select passport if you are using passport number, and select ID card if you want to use your ID card number. So input your passport number or ID card number, issue date, expiry date, and next gender, citizenship, country of residence, Pakistan. Enter your mother's name, mother's surname, and scroll down. Here apply your passport photograph in the space provided and move to the next. Next is contact information. Make sure you fill in all the required fields with red stars. So first of all, enter your email. enter address, house number, city, telephone, and then mobile number. Enter your emergency contact, enter email, telephone, and relationship to you. Then choose your country and move to the next. So the next section is the education section, where you fill in your current and previous education experience. So you are expected to arrange your studies chronologically backward, starting with your current or last completed study program. So select your level of education, institution name, enter program name, and scientific discipline. Next, status of studies, either it is valid, suspended, or finished. Enter start of studies, expected graduation date, and then length of your program, mode of study, enter financing source, uh, whether you are free, state financed, self financed, Erasmus scholarship student, financed by Stipendium Hungaricum. So select according to your information. Enter your country name, your city name, and the study location. Then study language. Enter your GPA, average grade, and maximum GPA at your institution. Next, have you ever studied in a Hungarian higher education institution? So click on no. Have you ever been a scholarship holder in Hungary? Then click on no, I have never been a scholarship holder in Hungary. Are you a self-financed student in a Hungarian higher education institution? So if you are applying for a scholarship, then click on no. And now move to the next page. Next section is language. So first of all, select your native language. Insert a new language, if any. Would you like to perform your studies in Hungarian at selected full degree program? So click on no or yes. If your answer is yes, it means you have sufficient language level in Hungarian and you would like to perform your studies completely in Hungarian. So you must know the Hungarian language for full degree program. Now move to the next. So next section is employment section. You may add your work experiences if you consider them relevant to your application. This is not obligatory. If you would like to provide information regarding your work experience, then click on insert new block. If you have several positions, you can add here. So let's move to the next. Next section is activities. This section is also optional, but you can fill in information that includes your most important activities that could support your application. So you can insert new block. So you can enter nature of your activity, organization name, form, date, and ending date. If currently active, so you can enter. So now move to the next. The next section is about residents abroad. This section is not required for applicants who have not stayed abroad for more than a month. You are required to fill this section if you have stayed abroad for more than a month, stating your reasons for staying and the duration. So click on the next page. Next section is motivation. And this section is one of the most important during the application process. Universities form their first opinion based on this document, so it is highly recommended to pay attention to every detail while preparing it. So your motivation letter must be more than 3000 characters. Must be in 3000, more than 3000 characters and less than 4000 characters. This should be stating the reasons that why you would like to come and study and become a scholarship holder in Hungary. The letter has to be written in English, Hungarian, or the language of the selected study program and must be addressed to the Hungarian higher education institution to which you are applying. This document should be written in a letter format with introduction, content, and closing citation clearly separated. You must provide relevant information important for the university and indicate clearly the major you are interested in. So the following should be addressed in your motivation letter. So why have you chosen to apply this program? Why did you apply to the study in Hungary? Why do you expect to gain from your studies? So all of them you should address. So let's move to the next section. Next section is document section. In this section, you have to upload your scanned version of your original application documents, motivation letter, proof of language proficiency, school certificates, transcriptive records, and passport. The next section is checklist. During the application process, click on the task section located on the dark green column on the left side of the page to see which documents need to be uploaded. After uploading the documents, select the proper option in each task and save your application and proceed to the next section. Next, others. If you have any information that can affect your application, so you can state in the box provided. If you have any medical information source, or other questions, and then you can add here that can affect your application. Once your application is complete and thoroughly reviewed, you can submit your application and wait for results. Hope this video will be helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also visit our website dreamdegreeabroad.com to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you.